Having trouble getting your hands on your EverBank statements when you're on the go? Need that proof of address or income right away, but you're nowhere near your desktop? We've all been there. Waiting for paper statements or trying to navigate a full website on your phone is a pain. But thankfully, the EverBank mobile app makes downloading your statements a quick and painless process. Whether you need a current statement or one from last year, you can grab it right from your phone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to access, view, and download your statements directly from the EverBank app. Let's get straight to it. First, open the EverBank mobile app and log into your account. Once you're on the account's dashboard or home screen, you need to find the main menu. Look for the three-line menu icon, usually in the upper left corner of your screen, and tap it. In the menu that appears, you'll see several options. Tap on Communications. Next, select Documents Center. This is where all your digital bank records are stored. Within the Documents Center, you'll find a few tabs. Look for and select the Statements tab. Now you'll need to filter your search. Use the drop-down menus to select the specific account and the year for which you need the statement. Once you've made your selections, a list of available statements for that period will appear. Tap on the specific date of the statement you wish to view. The statement will pop up on your screen. You can review it right there, but to actually download or save a copy, look toward the upper right corner of the statement box. You should see an icon. It might be a down arrow or a double arrow icon, which indicates more options. Tap that icon, and you'll be given the option to either print or download the statement. Select Download. Your mobile device will likely prompt you for where you want to save the file. Choose a location that is easy for you to access later, such as your Downloads folder or a specific cloud service. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your statement. If your device doesn't ask where to save it, check your phone's default download locations. For iPhone or iPad users, this is often within your system's Files app, possibly in a subfolder like EverBank App Downloads. For Android users, it's typically your main Downloads folder. Remember, this process gives you instant access to your official bank statements whenever you need them, perfect for loan applications, taxes, or just record keeping. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.